This is still my favorite New Balance shoe. The New Balance 990 V6 has definitely over the last year become a lot more popular with some super clean general release colorways that I can't get enough of. And also, of course, we had some of the best New Balances last year period thanks to Action Bronson. Going into the new year, they have enlisted the help of Teddy Santis once again to come out with a brand new season of Made in USA. And we got the first colorways right here for spring and summer. And in this video, I'll be reviewing the New Balance 990 V6 in the gray and black colorway. So the New Balance 990 V6 in the gray and black colorway, or let's maybe call it the salt and pepper colorway. These officially released worldwide on February the 8th for a retail price of $220 US or 250 euros. And as of right now, they are available in a full-size run on the New Balance website. I will leave a link to the shoes in the description of this video. And this release marked the beginning of the spring and summer 2024 Made in USA line. The sneaker actually released alongside 3 other pairs, one of which was the 990 V4 in pretty much the exact same colorway. I actually received that sneaker almost 4 months ago, dropped a review on this channel. No idea why that particular sneaker released so early in Europe, and we're only now getting the other shoes in this collection. And the 2 other pairs include a 998 as well as a 996, all of them looking super clean, once again in this salt and pepper colorway. And looking at this collection now, this is straight up a message for everyone out there that started to say that New Balance is maybe falling off a bit, that Teddy Santis colorways are just not doing it anymore. Well guys, look at what is dropping this year. In my opinion, this is the best season of Made in USA we've seen since maybe the beginning season. There is some absolute fire dropping this year. I'm particularly very excited about those 993s, both the all over purple and the green pair. Even the 990 V4 in that lime green and black looking super fire. The V6s as well, man, I'm not gonna lie, I am very excited about this season of Made in USA. And because nowadays, these sneakers are a lot easier to get. If I'm able to get any of these shoes well below retail, I'm going to be very happy. But now let's get into the focus of this video, which is this 990 V6 pair. Starting off with the mudguard, you get a very super smooth gray suede being used here. And on the V6s, you'll notice that the suede panels kind of wraps all around the shoe. It's very cohesive looking, unlike pretty much every other 990, which has that mid panel, which I know you classic New Balance enthusiasts probably miss on the V6, but I think this is a very good look. You got some black panels on the toe box, which are done in what feels like a nubuck material. And what is interesting is the cream colored mesh, which you can see on the sneaker as well, because when I first saw pictures of this shoe as well as the other shoes in this first round, I thought that the material on these pairs was actually corduroy, but having this shoe in hand, I can confirm this is definitely not corduroy. It's more of like a thicker knit material. It just has like a different knitting pattern than most of the other mesh you typically see on New Balances, but I can confirm this is definitely mesh, not corduroy. On the back of the sneaker, you see that cream plastic panel there with the New Balance logo. The insole of the shoe, it features a black insole this time. Moving down to the midsole of the sneaker, that's where you get this very nice combination of cream on the heel, and the front of the midsole is painted white. And they were nice enough to give us 2 different laces on this shoe. I've thrown one color on each pair of shoes just to give you guys a feel of how they would look like. Personally, for me, you know I'm definitely going for that cream one. I think it matches the upper really nicely here, and that's definitely the one I would stay with. But do let me know in the comments which of these 2 colors do you guys prefer. I'm willing to bet most of you are gonna go with the cream. We've now seen quite a few colorways of the 990 V6, and I have to say the Made in USA line has really done a good job showcasing just how nice of a silhouette this can be. I remember when the shoe first came out, people were saying that the V6 looks like a Skechers shoe. I did not think it deserved that type of criticism, and I do like what Made in USA has done here. I think this is the best version of gray we've seen on the 990 V6. I know we had the original gray pair. We also had that gray and navy colorway, but I think this pair right here, the combination of the black, cream, and gray just looks so nice on this pair. In fact, this colorway overall is just the winner. You look at pretty much all 4 of the shoes that came as part of this pack, and it looks amazing on all of those pairs. Moving on to the comfort of the shoe. Now, if you have never worn a pair of 990 990 V6s before, well, you are in for a pleasant surprise, because if you're used to the type of comfort you get on the V5 and the V4, well, the V6 pretty much takes that level of comfort to a whole another level, thanks in large part because of what they've done with the midsole. So you do get fuel cell technology on this midsole, which is the same technology that New Balance puts on all of their running models, or most of their running models. It's super cushiony, feels incredible on feet. The fuel cell technology also makes the sneaker a lot lighter compared to the V4 and the V5. Holding them both in hand, you'll feel that instantly. They've also adjusted the fuel cell compound on this pair to be slightly more firm than what they use on the running shoes. Since these shoes are designed for lifestyle purposes, that is why the cushioning is a bit firmer, and it's just honestly perfect. So much so that the V6 has become my absolute go-to sneaker. And trust me guys, I do own quite a lot of sneakers, but when it comes to what I actually wear every day, I take my dog out for 3 walks a day, I go to the grocery store almost every other day. The V6 is my absolute go-to sneaker these days. Even if you're going on vacation somewhere where you're gonna do a lot of walking, definitely take a pair of V6s with you. And when it comes to sizing on this model, so for me, I go true to size in all my V6s. Even though I've seen on the Reddit forums, I've seen some other people who review the shoe say that they go a half size down, which personally I don't understand, because I tried going a half size down on this shoe. It does not fit me. I go true to size in the V6 as well as basically every other New Balance sneaker except the 550s. The 550s I go a half size down, but in the 992s, 993s, 990 V4, V5, I do go true to size. Same with the 2002, 1906 as well. So I would say just go with your regular New Balance size on this pair, whether that be a half size down or true to size, you'll fit the same in the V6. Overall, the New Balance 990 V6 in the gray and black colorway, definitely for me, this is a cop. Simply one of the most comfortable shoes out there, and when it comes with a colorway like this, which you can wear with anything, wear it with jeans, wear it with, yeah, basically anything, wear it with shorts as well. You get an everyday colorway like this on a shoe this comfortable, yeah, this is one of those, even if you have a collection of just 5 or 10 sneakers, you want something like this that you can just rock anytime, any place. Huge fan of these for sure. Teddy Santis, you did it again. If you found this video useful, by the way, please hit that subscribe button. I'm getting very close to that 100K mark, and it would mean a lot to me if you guys subscribe. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. That's where I am the most active. I post on there every single day, and I also respond to literally every single DM, so feel free to contact me on there. And finally, if you are looking for some listening content, my sneaker podcast is available on all streaming platforms. Links to all of that can be found in the description as well. Thank you so much for stopping by once again and for supporting my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.